Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll look at Google Data Studio and how to make a visualization report on it. So let's get started. So first you have to log into your Google account and visit this googledatastudio.google.com, and you will be directed to this screen, and you'll have to click on blank report, and it will ask you, once you open this, it will ask you to upload a file or connect to a data source. So I'll be uploading a file. I'll go here and click to upload files. Now you can see it will start uploading the file, and now it's processing. Once it is done, then it will show as uploaded, and you can click on add. Once it's done, it will ask add to report. Click on add to report, and it will show by default automatically made table where the first column is selected and the number of records are shown. The first column is the dimension and the second one is the metric. You can, once you click on any chart, it will open this pane. Once you unselect it, it will go away. Here you can see the themes. Let's say I click on constellation theme. It's all blacky. Now click on this and go to this arrow, it's chart table. Click on this and select bar chart. It will convert the table to bar chart. Now I want to see the number of total cases. So what I will have to do is, dimension is selected by default, that is the continents, and the metric, I want to change the metric because it is currently showing record count. I want to change it to total cases. Now it will show total cases, but I want to see the number also. I will click on style, go to here. On the top it is showing show data labels, will show. Now if I want to add a time series, let's say I want to add a chart, another chart, I go to add a chart, click here and select time series chart. Let's say put it here, I put it in this size, and it is showing total cases. Now if I want to change it to, it is showing this 1st Jan to 10th Feb and so on, so I want to change it to, let's say, month and year. I click on this, go to date, time, year, month. I'll have to do a similar thing here also. Now it will convert it to this. So now if I want to make another time series for total deaths, so I'll just copy it using Ctrl C, click here and paste. See, it is done. Else I'll have to reformat it again. No, it's easily done. I'll just change the metric. Come up here, change it to this. Now I want to change the color also. To do that, what I have to do is I have to click on style. I have to come up here and change this. Let's say that's denoted by, let's say, width. And this one, I'll make it yellow. See, that's green, I'll make it yellow. Yeah, looks much better. Here also, if I want to change the color, I can come to this point and click here. See, done. So now if I want to add a filter, I can add a filter. First of all, before that, let's add total cases count here. This is showing total cases. Now if I want to add another for total deaths, I can add it. See, by default it is picking up. That's what Google does. Now I can add a drop down list here. For the continent it is showing, I'll change it to, this is control field. So what I'll do is I will select let's say location. Now once I select location, I can click on view and it will show me this chart like this, someone who is viewing from the outside. I can select the location, let's say United States. Now see, all these numbers have been updated, you can see. So this is how you can create a report using Google Data Studio. Also, you can also start a mailer. You can schedule an email delivery every day, every week. Let's say I click here. See, I can make weekly custom any sort of schedule for mail. So I can mail someone. So you can add different types of data, Google Analytics and different BigQuery and other data sources you can add. So thank you. See you in the next lecture.